Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode in our HLModTech travel series. Today I'm going to talk to you about the awesome Shipwreck beach. I am standing on my balcony at the Marriott because I did not take any video, and I apologize for that. We took the shuttle from the Marriott, which once again is free. You just need to make sure you sign up for it a day ahead of time. It is super slick. There are 3 in the morning and there are 3 trips back in the afternoon. You just got to pick which one you want, and then boom, you get taken there, shuttled, you get dropped off, and you've got all kinds of cool things you can enjoy on a free trip out that way. When you get to the beach, Shipwreck Beach has an awesome little restaurant. We ate there today and the staff was wonderful and the food was awesome as well. The beach is a nice long strip that has free chairs that you can sit on and umbrellas. We enjoyed the area, we enjoyed the water. There is a bit of coral and you gotta watch out for stepping on sea urchins. There is a way around on the left side that is totally clear, and that lets you get out into the open water and enjoy it as well. They have all the awesome amenities you need, snorkeling gear, there's jet ski rentals, all kinds of things, and then you can walk down the beach. It was an awesome walk. My wife and I enjoyed as well, and I will post some little pictures of the cool things we saw so you can see them as well. One of our favorites, of course, was being able to see the little monkeys that sometimes climb down the hill, and we got to see a mongoose, which was really wicked cool. Another thing you might want to note, they do allow pets there, so if you happen to have your dog, they are dog friendly. They ask that you keep the dog off to the side just in case there are other people that don't enjoy dogs, but it was super cool for us. We got to meet a dog named Triton and just generally had a great time while we were strolling down the beach. So my friends, if you get a chance, I highly recommend visiting Shipwreck Beach. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.